Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be painting a barn owl with watercolor. To start off, I added some masking fluid. This masking fluid helps keep the area waterproof when it is applied. After it dries, it peels off very neatly. I added the stars with oil pastels because watercolor does not bleed through it. For the background, I usually apply different tones of color to give contrast. Here, you can see that some parts are darker than others. Before the paint dried, I sprinkled some salt to give the salt effect. I used this shade of purple to make the owl's eyes look more unique. Barn owls are known to have very long legs, toes, and talons to help them catch prey hidden under grass. They usually hunt at night, which means they are nocturnal. Their sensitive hearing helps them find prey in the darkness. Surprisingly, the owl's furs are waterproof, which helps them keep warm without getting wet. It is really easy to give the star effect with toothbrushes. I love peeling off the masking fluid. It's always so satisfying. For the moon, I used gold metallic watercolor. The moth is called the golden emperor moth. I matched the moth's color with the owl's feathers. Unlike butterflies, moths are nocturnal. They come in varieties of size and patterns. And surprisingly, some moths migrate just like butterflies. Before the paint dried, I applied some dots of brown watercolor to add texture to the owl's feathers. Just like always, I added some details with a thinner brush. Moths are known to have very detailed wings. I prefer drawing butterflies than moths, but this time I thought a moth would go well better. Lastly, I added some white dots on the black pattern of the owl's feathers. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment below. And I'll see you next video. Bye bye!